I wasn't planning on talking during this video. It was going to be a quickie unboxing, some cool music, that's it. But something very interesting, and this is only for Farberware lovers, okay? I had a used one. I even made a video about it where I polished it up. These were made around 2002, 2004, I think. 2000 to 2004, because it is an 1810. And now they don't make these anymore. They're all 18-0 now. A magnet will not stick to this anywhere. Okay, here's the thing. You see how it angles in here a little bit? The really old Farberware from the 70s, 60s, and 70s, the side of this little plastic thing was straight, but this is flared. So all of the modern ones that I've ever seen, it's been flared. Let's see. And completely plastic on the inside. It used to have a metal insert on the really old ones. Just to show you again, it's flared. This pan that I just got today, not only is the bottom different, this knob, let's see, look at that. It's got a brass insert and it's got the flat sides. This is just for Farberware junkies. This pan is very unique, and I'm not done there. So here we have one of our original Farberware exposed aluminum bottoms. If you look at the screw, the bolt, it's got a very unique bit. Oh wait, okay, interesting story. The really, really old ones that had the double patent had a simple Phillips screw. That's an original vintage. Here we have a modern. This is the modern 1810, so probably around 2002, 2004, and it's got the Phillips flathead bit. You can use either. It's got a Phillips and a flathead. Very easy to remove these handles. So here's the 3-quart I got today, and it has the old style bolt. So this pan might have been a bridge between the old and the new when they went to the all steel cap. And also, as you can tell, you can see that the bottoms are different. Huge Farberware, tiny Farberware, almost elegant. The bolt is very fascinating to me. I've never seen a modern one with that bolt. Farberware junkies, that's pretty cool in my opinion. Thanks for watching.